Sometimes the upgrade you need is not faster hardware, but a better way to see your work. A display that quietly improves focus, comfort, and flow every single day. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Viewfinity S65UA Series 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor. This is a professional-focused ultra-wide display designed for people who spend long hours working, creating, or multitasking and want a cleaner, more immersive setup without unnecessary complexity. This monitor features a 34-inch Ultra WQHD curved screen with a 21:9 aspect ratio, a 100 Hz refresh rate, USB-C connectivity with power delivery, HDR10 support with 1 billion colors, and TV-certified intelligent eye care. If you work from home, manage multiple applications at once, edit content, or want a refined productivity display that also handles light gaming and media, this monitor is clearly aimed at you. The purchase link is available in the description and pinned comment. Now let's walk through 7 reasons buyers continue to choose this display. Reason number 1. The ultra-wide format transforms how you work. The 21:9 screen replaces a dual monitor setup, allowing documents, timelines, and dashboards to live side by side without bezels or interruptions. It feels natural and immediately improves workflow efficiency. Reason number 2. The 1000R curvature enhances comfort during long sessions. This curve closely matches the human field of vision, reducing the need for constant eye movement and helping maintain focus without the fatigue common with flat, ultra-wide panels. Reason number 3. Color performance builds confidence. With HDR10 support and 1 billion colors, gradients are smoother, dark scenes retain detail, and bright areas remain controlled. This matters for designers, editors, and anyone who values visual accuracy. Reason number 4. The USB-C connection simplifies everything. One cable delivers display signal, data, and up to 90 watts of laptop charging. Desks stay clean, setups stay portable, and switching between devices becomes effortless. Reason number 5. Eye care is built in, not optional. TV-certified intelligent, eye care adjusts brightness and color temperature automatically, while flicker-free technology and blue light reduction support healthier extended use, especially at night. Reason number 6. The 100 Hz refresh rate improves daily interaction. Scrolling, window movement, and cursor motion feel smoother and more responsive. AMD FreeSync also reduces screen tearing, creating a polished experience even during fast motion content. Reason number 7. Design and reliability support long-term ownership. The slim, nearly borderless design minimizes distraction. The height-adjustable stand improves ergonomics, and it is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers who rely on it daily. Final verdict. The Samsung Viewfinity S65UA is not built for competitive esports or high-end HDR mastering. Instead, it excels as a refined productivity monitor that prioritizes comfort, clarity, and simplicity. It is best suited for professionals, remote workers, and creatives who want one display that replaces clutter and supports long focus sessions. If that sounds like how you work, this monitor is worth serious consideration. Review the link below and choose with confidence.